had a fascinating conversation with someone who has since gone on to become a mentee of mine. And one of the things I said is, have you got any properties? Have you worked with anybody before? And they've been on somebody else's property training and they have paid them more than they would have paid me. They've been part of a group where they would have been working with me on a one-to-one basis. They haven't worked directly with the person who is the figurehead of the mentorship. They've worked with somebody else in the group. And at the end of it, they've come to me because, having done what they were supposed to do, because they're an excellent student, they have bought their first deal. They've got no idea what to do next because they never started with a strategy. A strategy isn't buy to let or HMO or development. A strategy is, I have this amount of resources and I want to achieve this financial objective. This is what I'm looking to achieve. That's your strategy. You then work out what technique